Hey everybody, here's what's happening in today's video. Stick around and check it out. I hope y'all are having a great day. So today I am working on a 12 by 12 canvas and I've got my colors right here. They are all mixed with my bare satin enamel and my Artist Loft, which is my cloud effect mix that I have in my bottle here. And each one of these colors is actually leftover from my Cloud Effect color series. I was cleaning out my my leftover paints that I had, and I found all these colors, so I thought, what the heck, I'm just gonna do a pour and use them all. So each color is mixed the normal way that I make my Cloud Effect mix. So I take 1 part paint and of the colored paint and 1 part of the bare satin enamel, and then I usually add my pouring medium until I get the right consistency. Now that is the same for when I make my white Cloud Effect mix. It's 1 part bare satin enamel to 1 part Artist Loft Flow Acrylic, and then I add my pouring medium, which is usually about 2 parts, and then if you need a little bit of water to add. So what I did, you saw in the cup, is I layered each Cloud Effect color and then the white Cloud Effect mix in between. So I thought that would be interesting. The colors are all pastel, you can kind of see, because they get mixed with that white and it lightens them really pretty. So I thought it was cool, and I was curious to see what my results would be. Alright, so I have to use my torch here because I had to mix them up, just give them a little stir before I started, so there was some air bubbles in there. And I'm just going to go ahead and move this around a bit till I kind of get the canvas covered, and then I'll do a little bit more over the edge. But right now I wanted to welcome everybody. If you're new, and you haven't subscribed yet, I hope that I can earn your subscription, a like as well, and if you are already a subscriber, I do appreciate you subscribing. And also, I do have, for those of you that don't know, I have a Facebook group. It is called Acrylic Pouring with Friends. It is a really nice place to go to get, especially if you're new, to if you have questions. There's a lot of artists on there that can help you. I don't always get to see every post, but I try to help when I can. So if I miss a post, there's always another artist that can help as well. And for those artists that have been doing it for a little longer, it's a great place to get some inspiration. All right, enough about that. Back to the painting. I am going to continue to move this around till I get it all covered, and it looks really cool so far. It's not like a ton of clouds. It's kind of hard to tell too with the glare, and these colors are pastel, so they're a little bit lighter, but you can see that I am getting some areas where there's like little clouds are starting to pop up. So I'm hoping that that continues, because I did use a lot of the cloud effect in this. It may be cloud effect overkill. I don't know, but I am loving that it's kind of, soft. Some of my other paintings are just bold colors. This one's kind of nice, a little different. So it's nice to change up your colors and not get stuck in a rut using the same colors all the time. All right, guys, so here's some wet photos. You can see it definitely is starting to make some more cloudy areas there. Look at all those little tiny ones too. So I love the colors. They're so soft and pretty. So hopefully this dries as nice as it looks wet. It looks really cool. I'm quite happy with it so far. So here we go with some dried photos, and you can see that it looks really, really pretty still. So I'd love to hear what you guys think in the comments below. And if you are new and you subscribed, thank you so much. Liking, subscribing, sharing, that really does help. This is how I make a living, so it is very, very much appreciated. So if you want to watch some other awesome videos, go ahead and click the link on the left, and I'll catch you in my next video.